I'm about to do an oil change on this 2018 Ram. All right, this is 4x4, and this is a 5.7 liter engine, Hemi. See it right there. All right, 1500 Ram. All right, Dodge Ram 1500. So it's down below. It's very easy, guys. Just go down below, and I'll show you how to drain the oil. And this is the oil we're gonna change. We're gonna use 5W20 Mobile 1 synthetic oil. You don't want to put nothing else, guys. Very good stuff. All right, not cheap, very good stuff. All right, so let's get down there and see what we can do. All right, guys, right over here we got the drain plug. You're gonna need number 13, just like that, and ratchet. So what I'll do is, and make sure you have a drain bucket like that one. And all you're gonna do is you're gonna spin this bolt counterclockwise. This truck is super cold and it's not so hot in there. It's not a hot season no more, so the oil is gonna be very thick. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna open that drainer and the oil is gonna shoot out. And you give it a good 10 minutes so it can finish draining. There you go, guys. So I'm gonna leave that there. I'm gonna go clean this drain plug and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so let the oil drain. Here we have it. The oil is draining. Give it a good 10 minutes till it completely drains out. Alright, guys, so if you come forward a little bit, right over here we have the oil filter, which I'm not going to be able to show you because I can't even put my camera in here. But that's the filter right there, and make sure you change that. It's going to be a big mess because you got the axle and the rack and pinion right here blocking your view. So give it a good chance, and just to remove that, all you do is turn it by hand, and it should come out, and put a new filter in, and then we'll put oil from the top. All right, guys, so my oil is still draining. I'm gonna wait for it, then I'll change the filter, but I showed you where the filter is. Right there is the oil is super dirty, and then we'll continue. All right, guys, once the oil is finished draining, you're gonna take your drainer, you're gonna close it up. All right, very simple. And this car is high enough, you probably don't even have to lift it. But I put this on the lift so I could get a little bit more room and be easy and comfortable. Alright, and tighten this bolt. Don't be fooled, you're hitting this, you know it's tight, alright? So try to get a good angle. And that's it, guys. There we have it. I'm gonna take out the filter next, and then we'll continue by putting the oil in the car. Guys, once you're all done right here on top of the engine, you're gonna be putting oil from right there. Let me see if I can put my light right there. That's pretty good. So remove this cap, which might be super duper tight. Yeah, this is super duper tight. So get a needle nose or something and just twist it. The way that felt, I was never gonna be able to take it off by hand. All right, take that off, use a funnel. And this car takes about almost like 7 quarts. So start putting the oil, guys. Make sure you use a good oil. And if you don't know what kind of oil your car takes, just that cap I took off, it has a number on it, and you can just go by that number. Customer show up, but let's put the rest of the oil in. Alright guys, I'm gonna put the rest of the oil, then I'll come back because I don't want this video to be super duper long. But I'll come back and then we'll close the cap. Alright guys, I'm done. Remove your funnel. And like I said, the cap has a number on it like that, 520 right there. And what you call it, don't forget to put this cap on, because if you forget this, you're gonna have a big mess, spill of oil guys. And that's it guys, that's how you do an oil change on this Dodge. Make sure you reset the light. I'll make a video on that and you can search that up.